Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to track your Cash App card. So first of all, you need to open up a browser on your mobile device or your PC, and then open up this webpage from the link in the video description below. Over here, you need to enter in your registered mobile number or email in this bar here, and then click on Request Sign-in Code. It will then send you a confirmation code on your registered mobile number or email that you must enter in order to log in. Once you've logged in, you'll see a page titled Something Else with a list of common issues. Simply click on Can't Access Old Account. Then on the next page, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see another button that says Contact Support. Simply click on it. You can then choose to be contacted within 24 hours by phone or by email. For this instance, let's say you chose email. Then it'll take you to this page. Over here, Cash App will ask you to explain your issue. You can ask something along the lines of, has my card been dispatched? And if it did, then how many days will it take to reach my place? Hopefully, the Cash App representative will get back to you within 24 hours and will help you regarding your issue. If they did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.